In this video, I will show you how to turn off autoplay for Facebook videos. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. First things first, go ahead and open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're inside the Facebook app, go ahead and select Menu at the bottom right. Then scroll down a little bit and select Settings and Privacy and select Settings one more time right here at the top. Now you're going to scroll down a little bit more and under Preferences, you're going to see Media. Go ahead and select it. Here you're going to have the option to turn off autoplay. Right here, select Never Autoplay Videos, and this will automatically turn off this feature. But you also have the option to only use it when you have Wi-Fi or when you have data. In my case, I want to turn off autoplay completely, so I'm going to select Never Autoplay Videos. And that's it. Now you can go back and refresh your screen, and now autoplay will be off for your Facebook videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.